guys, NiagaraTFP here, and today I'm going to show you this sagrada família model. Before showing you it, make sure to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss any new videos. And this is similar to this like clay model. And if you want to see this model, just go on the right hand side. And anyways, this is my old version. It's not really old version, it's just my model and clay version of sagrada família. And it's my most recent video. So at the end, or whatever it is, it shows that video. Anyways, let's show you this sagrada família model. Unlike the thing that I showed you, this one, which is actually just like clay modeling, this one is actually 3D printed. And this is a 3D printed model, so it has a lot of detail in here. Also it's really delicate. In fact, two of the spires has been broken, so I had to replace them with these ones. Anyways, there's this model. I made it orange so it actually looks like the basilica. And also a thing that you noticed is that there's like holders on here that kind of move all the time. And the reason why I had to do this is because you can see some like little things here. They just left it on there, so I think later we're going to like sand this or something. So I think I think in future videos it's going to be completely flat down here. But anyways, it is this model. And let's show you the facade. Here's a nativity facade. You see that? Oh, then it's the way on the background. And then there's the passion facade, and then there's the glory facade. And apparently in this one, this is kind of like an older model. See, there's two rows of columns. When the real one, there's one of them. This is just like an older model, which kind of confuses me. Is that at the same time when this was like designed, there were clouds on the glory facade, which I showed you in my other video, which you can find a link in the description. See that? And also I'm going to show like the design of like the model, like where to download it and stuff like that. And that model is going to be in the description of this video, not the other video. And anyways, there is this old model. This is one of like the prototypes. It's not a prototype. We were just like 3D printing this one time. So I thought of this design and then 3D printed it. But then for some reason it kind of like split in half like this. So that's why it looks like it's two pieces. And in fact, this sacristy is actually cut off from the rest of the building. Oh, one of the sacristies have been lost. I don't know where that is. And this is just an old model of sagrada família. You can see this area is flimsy here because this is an old model. And I made it white here instead of orange because I didn't have orange filament back then. Just because my 3D printer is new. It's not actually new, but it's new when we made it. So we didn't like print, so we didn't have a lot of filament. So that's why I chose this, which is white instead of orange. And something weird here is when you look at the back side, there is this like weird thing at the, and it's just a little weird. Anyways, there is that. It has like some weird stuff. Anyways, this is like an old version of the model. And there you go. This is a model here. And also there's some details that's hard to make. There's this one, there are these two lampposts here, which this one actually kind of broke sometime, so I had to glue it back together. Also, some parts that's hard to 3D print is like the star on top of the Mary Tower and the cross on the Jesus Christ Tower. And this is it from all angles, as you can see here. So there we go. There is a sagrada família model, which is actually 3D printed. And there you go. Thanks for watching us there. Bye.